The picnic. One Sunday morning, the Bear family decided to go on a picnic to the countryside. Bobby Bear excitedly kept his toys in the bag. Papa Bear washed the truck and got it ready for the road trip. Mommy Bear cooked tasty food and packed it in the basket. The Bear family boarded the truck and set out for the countryside. The countryside had a bubbling brook and lovely green grass. They all sat under a giant oak tree. They had their lunch sitting beside the brook. After having lunch, they played catch. It was Bobby Bear's favorite game. Bobby Bear also met his school friend, Rook the Rabbit, and his parents. They all had fun together. After coming back home, Bobby Bear went to sleep. He dreamt of the green grass and the brook.